Usually when we think about cleaning house, we use the big named products, but that doesn't always have to be the case. You can come here to the grocery store and buy things inexpensively, things that will do the exact same thing. These are all tips from This Old House. Take a look at this antique chair. If you find your antique furniture like this one to be dusty and dirty, here's the trick. Baby wipes. All you do is take one of these fragrance-free baby wipes, take it out and gently rub it all over the furniture, and just like that, the dirt and grime will be gone. And the next item on the list is nail polish remover. It gets rid of pretty much everything from paint splotches to marks on laminate floors. All you do is dab some of this onto a cloth and rub away. Then you're back in business with great shiny floors. And our third product is one you probably have never even thought of. It's toothpaste. Have your kids turned your nicely painted walls into canvas for their artwork like this? If so, then toothpaste is your answer. All you do is squeeze some out into a rag, then wipe it all over the walls, and voila! The walls are like new and your doodles are gone. And our fourth product is olive oil. If you have furniture with wood on it and it's dull and dehydrated, all you do is take some olive oil, dab some onto a cloth, then rub a nice film over it, then buff it out, and your furniture will be as good as new. But make sure if your furniture wasn't originally treated with oil and you use this, you're out of luck and it won't work. And the last tip we have from This Old House involves hot sauce. If you have any copper in your home that you want to clean because it's dirty or dingy, all you have to do is pour some hot sauce on this rag and just wipe away. And we have pennies that we're using. You just have to scrub really hard, and within minutes, your copper will be shiny again. And that's my 2 cents on household cleaning. For KRCG 13 News, I'm Megan Lane.